Good morning, students. I am Rajkumar, your mathematics teacher. You are welcome to today mathematics class, polynomials. In yesterday class, we have discussed about the degree of a polynomial, and you were sending homework, which was given by me properly. All of you, congratulations. And today we have to discuss some types of polynomials according to their degree. So algebra, we saw different types of algebraic expressions according to the terms occurred in a algebraic expression, like monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, like that. Okay, in that algebraic expression, polynomial is a special case type. Okay, so now we will see the different types of polynomials based on their degrees. Okay, so see that here, as we discussed in the previous class, there are some types of polynomials are there according to their degree. If degree is 2, degree is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. If degree is 3, that is the degree is 2, that is called a quadratic polynomial. These are the examples. Already this topic yesterday we have discussed. If degree is 3 means it is called cubic polynomial. Okay, so now again we will see some types. Linear polynomial, in name itself it is there. Linear means one line. Linear means one line. Line means what degree is, linear means degree is 1. Okay, that is called linear polynomial. Now let us see the general form of the linear polynomial. General form is ax plus b. This is the linear polynomial. Here a and b are the coefficients. Here see that what is the degree of the x is the variable. What is the degree of variable? 1. So that it is called linear polynomial. Okay, so this is the general form. It is very important. You have to keep in your mind the general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. Instead of a and b, you can take any variables, p, q, like that also you can take, no problem. Instead of variable x, you can take x, y, z, like that. Okay, but different letters you have to take, alphabetical letters you have to take, different letters for coefficients and variables. Okay, so simply you have to remember that if the degree is 1, that is called linear polynomial. See one example, 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, here the degree is 1. So that it is a linear polynomial. Okay, I hope that you understand. Let us see the next type of polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial. Quadra means 2. Quadra means 2. If the degree is 2, then that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now see the general form of a quadratic equation. Same a, b, c, d, like that you have to take the coefficients, and with variable, one variable only you have to take. Now we are seeing only one variable polynomials. Okay, this type of polynomials we are taking according to the one polynomial only. One variable only. Okay, two variables taking means it is different. Okay, so now here the general form ax square plus bx plus c. This is the c. Increasing, we are taking here only 2 terms are there. Here 3 terms came. Quadratic means at most we have 3 terms. Okay, so see here a, b, c are the coefficients. Here a is x square coefficient, b is x coefficient, C is called constant, so it has no variable. It is not multiplying with any variable. That's why it is called a constant. Okay. So see, observe here. What is the degree? 2. So it is quadratic polynomial in variable x. What is the variable here? X only. And you have to observe one thing here, that exponents of the variable are in decreasing order. Here 2, here 1. What is the variable of x? What is the exponent of x? 1. What is the variable of c? C means if there is no variable means it will be x power 0. We know that x power 0 value 1. C into 1 it is a c. So that in a quadratic polynomial, whenever you take in this order, the exponents, the powers should be in the increasing form. Okay, so this is the quadratic polynomial, and very important type of polynomial it is. In 10th class also we have to study a quadratic equation. Okay, later we will discuss. Now see one example, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 plus 1. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, then cubic polynomial. Cube. Already we know the term cube. Cube means it is 3. Okay, if the degree of variable is 3, then that polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So p of x. Why I am writing this p of x? Here also you can write p of x. This is also p of x. Why? These are the polynomials in variable x. That's why we are representing like this. P of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square. See here, order of exponents are in decreasing. Ax square plus bx, b after c, x square. You can reduce one power, so cx. Plus at last you have to write a constant, means after c what will come? D will come. So this is the general form. What is the general form of cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so when we are observing the exponents, these exponents also in increasing order. Okay, so whenever if you want to write any example of cubic polynomial means, so just variables exponents you should write in the decreasing order, and you have to take the coefficients, any coefficients. Instead of a, b, c, d, you can take p, q, r, and also you can take the numbers, no problem. Let us see one example. 3x cube plus 4x square minus 2x plus 1. Like this we will take. So here it is not writing properly. Okay, I hope that you understand. This is 3x square plus 4x square, 3x cube, 4x square minus 2x plus 1. Any one you can write. You can take any one of example, but this is the order. Okay, so first cubic means what it will come? First x cube will come, next square, next x, next constant. This is the order. It is a quadratic means first square. If you take variable x means x square, then x, then constant. Okay, so like this we will write the general form and some examples of a different types of polynomials. Now let us see the biquadratic polynomial. By means already we know that what is by 2. By means it is 2. By means 2. Okay, quadratic means it is also 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So if the degree is 2 means the degree is 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Degree is 4 means that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. That polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, how we will write the general form? You can write a. First we will start with a, and now I am taking the variable x. Degree 4 means highest degree you have to write first, plus after b, a, b, ex. 4 decreasing means 3, plus b after c, ex. 3 after 2, plus d. C after d. So d. So x square after x plus constant d after e. You can write like this up to whatever the degree given. That for that degree you have to like this, the general form of a polynomial. Okay. So this is the general form of the quadratic polynomial. You can write any one example. What we will write: 5x power 4 plus 3x cube, 4 after cube, minus 2x square plus x minus 1, like this. This plus and minus you have to write with your own. Okay. So but this plus and minus will divide this polynomial into some different terms, different number of terms. Okay. But the exponent indicates the type of a polynomial. Okay. I hope that these four types of quadratic, these four types of polynomials are very important, and still three more polynomials are there. Up to degree 4 only we have particular names for the polynomials. After 4, what it will come? 5. If the degree is 5 means there is no, if degree is 5 means there is no name. There is no particular name for the polynomial. If degree is 5 means it is called fifth degree polynomial. It is called fifth degree. If degree is 10, it is called 10th degree. If degree is 100, 100th degree polynomial, like that. Yeah, and so on we will write. If degree is n means nth degree polynomial. It is called nth degree. How we will write this? A coefficient x power n. Highest degree, nth degree means highest degree we will write first. Plus after a b. Okay. No b. Here a naught you have to take. A naught you have to take. Y means up to 100 we are taking. No. Up to 100 we are taking. Up to n we are taking means ABCDs only 26 only are there. That's why I am taking A naught, A1, A2 like that. So next A0, A1, x power should be decrease. Means here n means you should decrease 1. See here in the previous, here 4 is there. 1 decreasing, 3, 1 decreasing, 2, 1 decreasing, 1 decreasing, 0. Like this, 1 degree will decrease. This will become plus, next A1 after A2, x power n minus 1. Again minus 1 take, what it will become? N minus 2, n minus 2, it will become n minus 2, like this. Next term become A3 x power n minus 3. That is increasing, minus, no? Minus we are doing minus here means this 1, 2 will become increase. It will become increase. So A3 x power n minus 3 plus like that and so on, plus up to n terms we are taking. An x power n minus n. Here n minus n. You observe here n minus this one. N minus this 2. N minus 2. Here n minus n, that will become n minus 1 become 0, so that it is x power 0. X power 0 value 1. So you have to write n. So this is called the general form of a polynomial of with any degree. If you want degree 1 means if you should multiply, you should substitute 1 in the place of n, you will get the linear polynomial. If you substitute 2 instead of n, you will get the quadratic. If you substitute 3 instead of n, you will get the cubic polynomial. If you substitute 4 instead of n means you will get the biquadratic. If you substitute 5 means you will get the fifth degree. Like this we will get. Okay, this is the general form of the nth degree polynomial. Okay, so here next constant polynomial. I think already we have discussed about it. This constant polynomial. For example, constant means numbers itself. It has no variable. For example, 2 is there. So this is also polynomial. Why we call this polynomial? So if there is no variable here, after 2 means let it be x power 0. Let it be x power 0. Now it is a polynomial. Why? X power 0 value 1, 2 only. So all the constants like 2, minus 3, minus 5, these also polynomial, not only numbers. Okay, these also called polynomials. Okay, these polynomials are called constant polynomials. 0 also constant polynomial, but only 0 is called the zero polynomial. Zero polynomial, that is x power 0, x power 0, 1, 0 into 1, again we will get 0. So that's why 0 is called zero polynomial and also constant polynomial. Okay, so now what is the degree of zero polynomial? What is the degree of zero polynomial? We can't define. Okay, here zero polynomial degree we can't define. But what is the constant polynomial degree means 0. Constant degree, don't confuse here. Constant degree of constant polynomial is 0. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. We can't say. Okay, we can't say. So that's why the degree of zero polynomial is not defined, and the degree of constant polynomial is 0. Okay, the degree of linear polynomial is 1. The degree of biquadratic polynomial is 4. The degree of quadratic polynomial is 2. The degree of cubic polynomial is 3. Okay, I hope that you understand these two very important in this chapter. Okay, I think you understand once observe these tables. Okay, see here in one table degree polynomial example linear. Observe here x plus 1, 2x plus 3. So all the in both the degree is 1. And quadratic, see here it is given that this is the general form of the quadratic equation. Okay, degree 2. Cubic, degree 4. Biquadratic, degree 4. Here we have to consider only the degree. We can't take any number of terms. Okay, so it may be, for example, biquadratic means what we hope we are thinking it is 4 or 5, like the terms are there, but no need. You have to see only the degree. Degree is 4 means it is biquadratic polynomial. Okay. So here already we discussed monomial, binomial, trinomial. I know you have understand very well. Okay, so this is the today class. Okay, on this polynomial I will give the I will give the worksheet. You have to follow that worksheet. First you have to watch the video properly and see the questions and read the questions properly, observe the questions, given questions properly, and answer. You have to write the question and answer, then only send in WhatsApp group, and you have to watch the video in between 11 and 12 and send the homework in that particular time only. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.